Okay, we got a 5-box recap of 08-09 Ultimate Hockey. I'm just going to show the first one, just how the packaging comes off. After the sleeve, there's that little box, and then got the wrapper with the cards in it. Okay, first base, we got a Mika Kiprusoff, numbered to 299. A Peter Vrana, rookie auto, numbered to 399. A Zach Bogosian, ultimate debut threads, and a Claude Giroux, ultimate signatures. The next pack got a Peter Mueller base, numbered to 299. A Mikhail Bodker, ultimate rookie auto, numbered to 399. And we got a Nikita Filatov, ultimate signatures. Not showing them on the screen. Got a Jonathan Ericsson, debut threads, numbered to 200. Luongo base, numbered to 299. Chris Stewart, ultimate rookie autograph. Another Giroux. Well, this one's just ultimate signatures. And a Vinny Lecavalier, numbered to 100 jersey. Saku Koivu base, numbered to 299. There's a Claude Giroux ultimate rookies, and a nice patch numbered to 50 ultimate debut threads of Patrick Hornqvist, sorry about that. And down to the last pack, got a Thomas Vanek base, numbered to 299. Justin Abdelkader, numbered to 399. And we got a Kyle Turris, ultimate signatures, and a Mikhail Bodker, another card of him, but this one's just the debut threads, numbered to 200. So all in all, pretty good. Didn't get any of the autograph rookie patches, but still pretty good stuff. So there you go.